Hey guys, Dashy T back again, and today we're going to be unboxing the ACER 24-inch LED monitor. This monitor is part of the ED series. The model number is ED245QA. So let's get to it. Okay, so here we go. This is what we have. So in the box we have a standard power cable, followed by, not bad, VGA and HDMI cables. Don't find that in all monitor boxes, but that's good to see. We have the power brick adapter, and I'm guessing the base for the monitor. It's actually a white monitor. It comes in both white and black, but we chose the white model today. And there's the base stand just there. And taking this off, here we go. Here's the monitor itself. So it comes in its standard cover. Here we are. There's the front of the monitor, just there. So just turning round to the back, very standard. ACER logo in the top left-hand corner. And in the middle there you can see you have the power socket followed by HDMI and also VGA. I'm looking at connecting this to an Apple MacBook Pro with HDMI. So I think we'll get to it now. All right, we have the manual and instruction guide also. Documents which accompany the monitor. Bit of a quick start guide as well. Here we go. Just there. Quite straightforward though to put the monitor on the base, and we'll get to that now. This is a 24-inch monitor, but in actual fact it's a 23.6 inch full HD resolution. So looking forward to getting it up and going right now. We might connect the base to the monitor right now. Okay, so attaching the stand itself is very simple. Simply slots into place. Looks like we need a Phillips head screwdriver. And looks like we're done in about 10 seconds. All right, there we have it, guys. So turning him around. There you go. So we'll now go along and connect it up to the MacBook. Just finished connecting the monitor to the Apple MacBook Pro. And you can see in the middle there, we have a USB-C to HDMI adapter. That's it, just connecting both together. And as you can tell by the quality, it looks fantastic. All right, bringing up on screen. Website, my channel there on YouTube. And you're able to obviously jump between programs and multitask across both screens. All right, guys, just finishing off with the unboxing and very quick review of the ACER 24-inch monitor. Any questions or queries, by all means, send me a message via YouTube. And hope to catch you on the next video soon. As always, please feel free to subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Thank you again, and Dashy T out.